Want to know how to reverse engineer top ranking pages in your niche and use that insight to skyrocket your own rankings? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. By the end, you'll be able to replicate the strategies that make top pages successful and give your content a competitive edge. Let's dive straight in. First off, the most important step is identifying the top ranking pages in your niche. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even Google Search to find these pages. You can type in your target keywords, and these tools will show you the pages that are ranking the highest. What you're looking for is the page that consistently appears at the top. Take note of what they're doing right. Once you've identified these pages, analyze their content. Look closely at the structure. How do they present their information? Are they long form? Do they break down topics into easy to read sections? Is there a clear flow to the page? Take note of how they use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make the content scannable. Next, focus on the keywords they're targeting. You can use tools like Ubersuggest or Moz to see which keywords they're ranking for. Pay special attention to the primary keyword and the related terms they're using. Make sure you're using these same keywords on your own pages, but also try to find long tail variations that they might have missed. This is key in reverse engineering the content for your own benefit. Another crucial factor is backlink analysis. Top ranking pages almost always have a strong backlink profile. Using Ahrefs or SEMrush, you can analyze their backlinks. Look for high authority websites that are linking to them. This is a goldmine for figuring out who you need to reach out to for backlinks and which sites are most likely to link back to you. Also, check the page's user experience. How fast does the page load? Is it mobile friendly? Google ranks pages that load quickly and are easy to navigate, so this could be a deciding factor in your own rankings. If their page is optimized for mobile and has a fast load time, take note and apply the same principles to your own pages. Now, let's talk about content depth. Often, top ranking pages go beyond surface level content. They dive deep into a topic, providing real value to their audience. Go through the page and ask yourself, what gaps can you fill? Can you add more case studies, data, or resources to make your page even more valuable? Finally, review their calls to action. How are they converting traffic into leads or sales? Whether it's a download, sign up, or purchase, take note of how their CTAs are positioned and worded. Emulate their strategies, but also test your own variations to see what works best for your audience. If you're ready to start reverse engineering top ranking pages in your niche, I've got a special treat for you. I've tried all the popular SEO tools, and I'm recommending my top pick in the description below. It comes with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, so check that out if you want to follow along. Key takeaway: to reverse engineer top ranking pages in your niche, you need to identify their winning strategies. Focus on content structure, keyword usage, backlinks, user experience, content depth, and effective CTAs. Apply these insights to your own pages and you'll be on your way to top rankings. Remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below and start implementing these strategies today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.